Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to delete story on Instagram, and now let's dive right in. Now to delete Instagram story, first open up the Instagram app, and after that guys, you can see your story button available at the top left corner of the screen. All of your stories will be available over there. If you simply tap on it, you can see all of the stories you had posted will be available there. Again, tap on the your story button at the top left, and after that you can see a bunch of icons available for us at the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap on the more icon over there, and over here you can see the delete option available over here. Tap on delete, and you can also see you can choose to delete either from Facebook or Instagram only, or delete from both. Simply choose the option and tap on it, and that story will be deleted on Instagram. And guys, this is how to delete story on Instagram. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.